Iron Horse. What American does not thrill to the sight of a speeding train?
The power and speed of trains have increased tremendously.
Just about everybody likes to watch trains roar by, and the most up-to-date diesel-powered train.
For more than a century, the haunting voice of the Iron Horse echoed across the land.
Oh, yes, it's